Okay, so now what we want to do with these is free up the seed. And the easiest way is to take a hammer to it. I have to be careful I don't break the seed itself. Ow. Or my fingers. This one's a tough one. Okay. Seems like direct to the side is the best method. Oh. Perfect. Okay, so now I've got a bunch of these freed up, and we'll show you what we're going to do with them. Okay, so rumor has it that if you use the pits from fruits like peaches and soak them in vodka for 3 months or so, you'll end up with almond extract. I've tried to make almond extract using regular almonds, and that just does not work. Apparently you need bitter almonds to make them from almonds, or you could make them from the stones of fruits, such as peaches, nectarines, and others. So because I have all these peaches, I thought, oh wow, this would be a wonderful opportunity for me to test this theory out. Unfortunately, I have to wait 3 months or so before I know if it actually works. So I'm going to use all these broken bits as well. I don't think it really matters whether they're whole or chopped up. And I'm going to swipe some of hubby's vodka. I don't think he'll mind terribly, if he'll even notice. So for the amount that there's a couple of ounces there, and this is one of his favorite vodkas. I personally don't drink, so I don't have. Oops, best slow that down. Ooh, just enough, almost to overflowing. Oh, it did overflow. Darn. Okay, put the last one on in, put the lid on. That's a shame that I wasted that vodka. Oh well, he'll never know. Not unless he watches this video, of course. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this up, put everything away. And in a few months we will test this. Actually, you're supposed to shake it around every once in a while. Mix it all up. So I do use almond extract, so if this works, this would be great. It's free. Something from nothing. Something from what you would normally throw away. So I'm gonna label this and put it away with my other extracts. Okay, that's it for now.